Placing an order with Fineline Digitizing LLC is simple, fast, and completely stress-free. Let me show you exactly how to get your embroidery file in just a few easy steps right from our website. First, open your browser and visit www.finelinedigitizing.com. This is your one-stop destination for professional embroidery digitizing services trusted by clients worldwide for over 15 years. Once on the website, you will see a simple question. What would you like to do? You can either place an order or request a free quote. Choose accordingly. Both options are quick and straightforward. Placing any order includes just two simple steps. Step 1. Design details. Step 2. Review and submit. And the very first thing we ask is, who are you ordering for? Simply select individual or business, and you are ready to continue. Now tell us about your design by choosing your design complexity: simple logo, moderate logo, complex logo, or super complex. Notice how the price calculates automatically at each step, so you always know exactly what you are paying. Next, upload your artwork. For best digitizing results, please upload the highest resolution version of your artwork available. Then, select your size and placement. Choose where the design will be placed and select Best Fit or Custom Size. If you need the same design in multiple sizes, simply click Add Another Size or Placement. Each variant count as one digitized size. Next, select your required file format. We support all machine file formats, so whatever machine you run, we have you covered. You can also add special instructions briefly. Click on Show Additional Fields. It's optional. Thread colors, fabric type, machine type, color codes, and upload a reference image if you have a specific style in mind. One powerful feature: you can add up to 10 designs in a single order. Simply click Add Another Design and repeat the same process. This is perfect for bulk orders, saving you significant time by uploading everything in one go. Once all your requirements are complete, click Review and Submit. Choose your turnaround time as per your preferences, and price may vary accordingly. Finally, review your order summary. Enter details. Your name and email ID system will automatically create your login, and Credential will send over the email for future login. And your order is placed. You will receive access to your personal dashboard, where you can track every order in real time. Our team reviews your order in minutes, sends you a secure payment link, and your production-ready embroidery file is on its way. Visit www.finelinedigitizing.com or reach us on WhatsApp today. We look forward to creating something amazing for you.